If you're shopping for a lawnmower in 2026, you've probably noticed one thing. There are more choices than ever. Battery-powered mowers are stronger than they've ever been. Robotic mowers are becoming mainstream, and gas models are slowly disappearing from store shelves. But here's the problem. Not every mower is worth your money. Some are built to last for years, while others struggle after a single season. Today, we're looking at 5 lawn mowers that consistently stand out for performance, reliability, and overall value. And one type of mower you should avoid unless you're absolutely sure it's the right fit. Let's get started. Number 5. Greenworks 80-volt self-propelled mower. If you're looking for a lawn mower that delivers impressive performance without the premium price tag of some top-tier brands, the Greenworks 80-volt self-propelled mower is definitely one to consider. Designed for homeowners who want a powerful, low-maintenance alternative to traditional gas mowers, this model combines a high-efficiency brushless motor with a robust 80-volt battery system to provide consistent cutting power even when tackling thick or slightly overgrown grass. The self-propelled drive system takes much of the physical effort out of mowing, making it especially useful for larger yards or properties with gentle slopes, where pushing a heavy mower can quickly become tiring. One of the biggest advantages of choosing Greenworks is its expanding 80-volt battery platform, which allows you to use the same battery across a variety of compatible outdoor tools, including leaf blowers, string trimmers, chainsaws, and hedge trimmers, helping you save money if you're building a cordless lawn care collection. During operation, the mower runs much more quietly than a gas-powered model and eliminates the need for oil changes, spark plugs, fuel mixing, and many other routine maintenance tasks. While battery runtime is generally sufficient for small to medium-sized lawns, homeowners with larger properties may want to invest in a second battery to avoid waiting for a recharge. Replacement batteries can also be costly, but despite that drawback, the Greenworks 80-volt self-propelled mower remains an excellent value thanks to its reliable performance, user-friendly features, and long-term convenience. Number 4. Toro TimeMaster 30. If your lawn is approaching half an acre or even larger, mowing with a standard 21-inch walk-behind mower can become a time-consuming chore that takes much longer than necessary. That's where the Toro TimeMaster stands out as one of the best options for homeowners who want to finish the job faster without stepping up to a full-sized riding mower. Its standout feature is the extra-wide 30-inch cutting deck, which allows you to cover significantly more ground with every pass, reducing the total number of trips across your lawn and helping you complete mowing in much less time. Powered by a strong gas engine, the TimeMaster has plenty of cutting power to tackle thick, dense, or slightly overgrown grass while maintaining a clean and even finish. It also includes features designed to improve comfort and efficiency, making it easier to manage despite its larger size. Another major advantage is Toro's long-standing reputation for durability, replacement parts availability, and dependable dealer support, making repairs and routine maintenance much easier than with many lesser-known brands. Of course, there are a few trade-offs to consider. Because of its larger deck and powerful engine, the TimeMaster is noticeably heavier than most standard walk-behind mowers, which can make maneuvering in tight spaces a bit more challenging. Like any gas-powered mower, it also requires regular maintenance, including oil changes, air filter replacements, and seasonal servicing. However, for homeowners with larger properties who still prefer the proven performance of a gas mower, the Toro TimeMaster remains one of the strongest and most dependable choices available in 2026. Number 3. Mammotion Luba 2 Robot Mower. Robotic lawn mowers have come a long way in recent years, and the Mammotion Luba 2 has emerged as one of the most impressive options for homeowners who want to automate lawn care with minimal effort. Unlike many older robotic mowers that require you to install a perimeter wire around your yard, the Luba 2 uses advanced satellite positioning technology combined with intelligent navigation to map your lawn, making the setup process much simpler and far less time-consuming. Once configured, it can follow a customized mowing schedule, automatically navigate around obstacles such as trees, flower beds, and outdoor furniture, and maintain a consistent cutting pattern without constant supervision. Depending on the model and your yard's layout, it can also handle relatively steep slopes, making it suitable for many properties that would have challenged earlier generations of robotic mowers. Another major benefit is its quiet operation, allowing it to mow early in the morning or later in the evening without creating the loud engine noise associated with traditional gas-powered equipment. Because it works autonomously, homeowners can spend their weekends relaxing or focusing on other projects instead of pushing a mower around the yard. The biggest drawbacks are the higher upfront purchase price and the fact that its navigation performs best in areas with a clear satellite signal, so properties with heavy tree cover or significant obstructions may experience reduced performance. Even so, for anyone seeking convenience and modern lawn care technology, the Mammotion Luba 2 represents a practical and increasingly popular solution. Number 2. John Deere X500 series. For homeowners who own 1 acre or more of land, investing in a riding mower can dramatically reduce the time and effort required to keep the lawn looking its best. And the John Deere X500 series is widely regarded as one of the strongest choices in this category. Built with durability and long-term reliability in mind, these lawn tractors are designed to handle regular mowing season after season while delivering a comfortable and smooth riding experience. Their powerful engines provide plenty of torque to cut through thick grass with ease, and the heavy-duty construction gives owners confidence that the machine is built to withstand years of demanding use when properly maintained. Beyond mowing, one of the biggest advantages of the X500 series is its versatility. A wide range of compatible attachments, including utility carts, snowblowers, blades, and other lawn care accessories, allows the machine to perform multiple outdoor tasks throughout the year, making it much more than just a mower. The operator's seat, responsive steering, and user-friendly controls also help reduce fatigue during long mowing sessions, especially on larger properties. However, these premium features come at a cost, as the initial purchase price is considerably higher than that of most walk-behind mowers. In addition, the larger size means you'll need adequate garage or shed space for storage. Even with those considerations, homeowners with expansive yards often find the John Deere X500 series to be a worthwhile investment thanks to its outstanding build quality, dependable performance, impressive versatility, and ability to make routine property maintenance faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 1. Ego Power plus Self-Propelled Mower. For most homeowners, the Ego Power plus Self-Propelled Mower offers one of the best combinations of cutting performance, convenience, and long-term value available in 2026, making it an easy recommendation for anyone looking to replace a traditional gas mower. Ego has spent years refining its battery-powered technology, and its latest self-propelled models deliver cutting power that rivals many gas-powered competitors, while eliminating the hassle of gasoline, oil changes, spark plug replacements, and other routine engine maintenance. Powered by Ego's high-capacity lithium-ion battery system, the mower provides enough runtime for many suburban lawns on a single charge. And because the batteries are compatible with a wide range of Ego outdoor tools, including leaf blowers, hedge trimmers, chainsaws, and string trimmers, they offer added value for homeowners building a cordless lawn care system. The self-propelled drive makes mowing less physically demanding, while the push-button start eliminates the frustration of pull cords. Another convenient feature is its foldable design, allowing the mower to be stored vertically or in compact spaces, making it ideal for garages with limited room. It also operates much more quietly than a gas mower, creating a more pleasant mowing experience for both homeowners and neighbors. Although the initial purchase price is higher than many entry-level models, and larger properties may require purchasing an additional battery for extended runtime, the Ego Power Plus self-propelled mower consistently stands out for its reliable performance, ease of use, low maintenance requirements, and excellent overall value, making it one of the safest and smartest lawnmower purchases for the average homeowner in 2026. At the end of the day, the best lawnmower isn't necessarily the most expensive one. It depends on your lawn size, your budget, and how much maintenance you're willing to do. Battery-powered mowers continue to improve each year and are now the best fit for many homeowners. Gas mowers still make sense for some larger properties, while robotic mowers are becoming an increasingly practical option for people who value convenience. If you found this comparison helpful, let us know in the comments which mower you're considering and what size lawn you're trying to maintain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.